Windows are an essential component of any home. Not only do they provide natural light and fresh air, but they also play a crucial role in energy efficiency and overall comfort. However, as windows age, their performance and functionality can deteriorate, leading to increased energy costs, drafts, and other problems. To ensure that your windows are functioning optimally, it's important to be on the lookout for warning signs that it's time to replace them. In this video, we explore the 10 most telling signs that it's time to replace your windows. Number 1. When your windows are drafty. One of the most common indicators that your windows need to be replaced is the presence of drafts. If you feel a noticeable chill around your windows, even when they're closed, it's a sign that they are no longer providing an effective seal. This can lead to increased energy costs and decreased comfort levels in your home. Number 2. When you see condensation. Another common sign that your windows need to be replaced is condensation. If you notice moisture accumulating on the inside of your windows, this is a clear indication that they are no longer providing an adequate barrier to the elements. Over time, this moisture can lead to mold and mildew, which can be harmful to your health and the structure of your home. Number 3. When windows are difficult to open and close. As windows age, their mechanisms can become worn and damaged, making them difficult to open and close. This not only makes it difficult to properly ventilate your home, but it can also be a safety hazard, especially in the case of emergency exits. Number 4. When window cranks don't work. If you have crank-style windows, it's important to pay attention to the functioning of the cranks. If they're no longer turning smoothly or if they're stuck in place, this is a sign that it's time to replace the windows. Number 5. When window frames start rotting. Another sign that your windows need to be replaced is if you notice the frames are rotting. This can occur due to water damage or exposure to the elements, and if left unaddressed, it can lead to significant structural damage to your home. 6. If you have single-paned windows. Single-paned windows are not only less energy efficient, but they are also less effective at insulating your home. If you have single-paned windows, it's time to upgrade to double-paned or triple-paned windows, which will provide better insulation and increase your home's energy efficiency. 7. When your window glass is foggy. If the glass in your windows is foggy or blurry, this is a clear sign that the seals are no longer functioning properly. This can lead to increased energy costs and decreased comfort levels in your home. 8. When your windows are noisy. If you notice that your windows are excessively noisy, especially during inclement weather, this is a sign that they are no longer providing an adequate barrier to the elements. This can lead to increased energy costs and decreased comfort levels in your home. 9. When your window frames are warped. If you notice that your windows are warped or misshapen, this is a clear indication that they are no longer functioning properly. Warped frames can cause leaks, drafts, and other problems, and they can be difficult to repair. Number 10. When your windows are old. Finally, one of the most obvious signs that it's time to replace your windows is simply their age. Windows have a lifespan of approximately 15 to 20 years, and if your windows are older than this, it's time to replace them. Pro Replacement Windows specializes in helping homeowners find the perfect replacement windows for your home at the best possible prices. To get a free instant quote for replacement windows, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.